Locking your card on MEXC is a straightforward process that helps protect your funds. Follow these steps to secure your card effectively. Step 1. Log into your MEXC account. Access the MEXC platform by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your account information. Step 2. Navigate to the card management section. Once logged in, locate the card management section in your account dashboard. This area allows you to manage your card settings and security features. Step 3. Select the card you want to lock. In the card management section, find the specific card you wish to lock. Click on it to access its settings and options for security. Step 4. Choose the lock option. Look for the option to lock your card. This may be labeled as lock card or disable card. Click on this option to initiate the locking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to lock the card. Review the information and confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully lock your card on MEXC, enhancing the security of your funds. Always remember to monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity.